YouTube. Hope the camera's going. I'm not real sure because now I'm going to try not to show my face as much. Just turn it on by hand. But I'm going to take y'all on that ride on my pit bike. Dirt bike. Well, obviously pit bike. Or that than a dirt bike, I guess. I'm just going to make a short video. It's muddy out, so I can't go a lot of the places. But I kind of want to vlog a little bit and talk about my 10 subscriber special that's coming up. What that was. Oh. Make sure it's neutral. I don't know, some days it's weird to start first kick. Some days it won't. Alright, I'm going to let it warm up a second. Tell y'all something I want to try to do. Well, I'm going to talk about the Warrior. I'm going to get a clutch for it, some new front tires, and some stock back wheels. And I already got a new seat cover for it. It's already on. So, yeah, then it'll look pretty good. After that, I'm going to take it to Dirt Nasty Off-Road Park, and I'll do some GoPro videos on that for y'all too. That's coming up March the 4th, I think. But, let me see what else I was going to say. I'm going to maybe try, if I sell my beadlocks, to try to buy me a cheap, another one of these bikes or smaller, maybe a 50 or something, and start selling it and start from there. And maybe start buying bigger bikes, because I was kind of wanting an RM or another YZ80 KX or something. Probably CR would be more with Honda. But anyway, I'm going to take y'all for a ride. I would like to talk about my 10 subscriber special. We're at 8 right now. And I was kind of wanting to say something new I'm going to be doing. Since this is kind of a small channel for now, I want to pick 3 things. I want to pick 3 things. And let you all vote and see which ones you like best. Y'all should like them. Holy crap, it's muddy. So let me go ahead and tell you about the 3 things I want to do. I'm going to get up this before I start talking. Oh crap. I want to do 1. Pit bike speed test. Open this thing up, see what it'll do. 2, I want to do another tutorial on my die-cast 4-wheelers and dirt bikes and stuff. I'm not going to tell you what one. If that's what we win, it's going to be pretty cool to do. I'm not going to tell you what vehicle I'm going to use though. But I'm going to go back up here I went and I'll go over to another field. It's pretty fast, not that fast. Okay, so you heard the diecast and the pit bike speed test. The 3rd, I want to do an extreme mountain bike wheelies, because I can wheelie a mountain bike way better than I can do a BMX. When it comes to springtime, it's probably the only time you're going to see in the BMX videos. Because that's the best time. In summertime, I'm always afraid of snakes and stuff. Muddy out. I'm going to go up in there, I'll wreck. But, extreme mountain bike wheelies. So, I'll probably mention this on a lot of my videos so everybody gets to see. So, remember to hit the subscribe button and vote on any of my videos that I mention this on only. Right up my leg, I'm going to stop, got some thorns in it. Neutral? Crap. But, yeah, going off a lot of thorns. But yeah, just hit the video, whoever watched it. I'll try to do more of these videos. I'm going to try to do one of the Warrior pretty soon. Can't ride the 420 because it's leaking stuff out of the rear end. Yeah, thanks for watching.